last, my underwater lab is complete. From here, I can finally launch my new plan to destroy the Rangers and conquer this planet. All the efforts of the insectoid monsters have proven ineffective. They weren't powerful enough to achieve real results. It's time for a new force to rise. The era of the robot has arrived. Beautiful. And you have the ability to create even more like yourself.
I am Metal Alice. I am your creation, Master.
Amazing. You are the perfect machine to crush those Power Rangers to dust. So, Metal Alice, are you ready to carry out your mission?
Robot design data compiled. I'm ready, sir.
I'm looking forward to seeing what this new robot you designed can do.
Activate robot creation protocol.
It's working.
Activation complete.
I am the robot Rotox, ready for action.
Show our master what you can do.
Impressive.
I'm glad my robot design pleases you, Brock. Nothing will stop me from completing my mission.
You are as brilliant as you are indestructible. Begin phase 1. Let's set Rotox loose to terrorize those pathetic humans.